Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making beef bourguignon, which is a classic French dish. And I had this in Europe when we were traveling and I really loved it. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, I have about 3 pounds of chuck steak or chuck roast. You can use beef stew or even brisket. And what I've done is I've taken off a lot of the fat and then I've cut it into big chunks, maybe about 1.5 to 2 inches. So I have here a pot, but it has some bacon grease in it because I took about 1/2 pound of bacon and I cut it in 1-inch pieces and I fried it till it was crispy like this. And so I put it on the side. So the grease is going to be used to brown the meat. So I'm just going to pour the meat in here. And then I'm going to brown it very well on all sides. The meat is browned and I have it put aside. And I forgot to mention that I also added some salt and pepper to it to give it more taste. Now, with the leftover gravy in here, I'm going to put in the carrots and the onions cut up. That's about 2 carrots and 1 cut up onion. And I'm going to saute all of this a little bit. And then add in about 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic minced. Okay, I'm gonna saute this until it's a little bit browned, and it may take about 5 or 10 minutes. The vegetables have been sauteed. Now the carrots, you don't have to make it soft because it's gonna be cooked in the sauce for a long time and it'll be soft. Next step, add back the meat. And the bacon that I had put aside. It's already crisp. Mix this all up. Next I have red wine. This is cooking wine, but any kind of red wine. 2 cups in here. Okay. And then 4 cups of beef stock. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 sprigs of thyme. Or if you don't have the fresh one, you can use the dried ones. And 2 tablespoons of chopped up parsley. And then I have here about 1/2 pound of pearl onions, which I've already peeled. So they look like this. So put it in there. Stir everything up. And then I'm going to cover it, bring it to a boil, and simmer it for about 2 hours or until the meat is very soft. So the meat is done. It's been cooking for about... The meat is done. It's been cooking for about 2 hours. Now the finishing touch is taking 1/2 stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons. Let the butter get kind of bubbly. And then I'm adding a tablespoon of minced fresh garlic. Always fresh. Stir it up till it smells really nice. Maybe about a minute or so. Can smell that garlic. Delicious. Now I have here 1/2 pound of mushrooms. And they're really big, so I cut them in half. And we're just gonna saute this a little bit. This is a nice finishing touch. Just keep stirring it around until it softens and all the butter and garlic is infused into the mushrooms. Mushrooms are done. Now I'm just going to pour it right over the meat and the sauce. Oh, it looks really yummy. And then just give it a good mix, and that's it. Here's the finished beef bourguignon. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in a dish. Oh, this looks so luscious. Now I'm just gonna garnish it with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, the finished dish. Smells so yummy. And now to taste it. A little bit of everything on the spoon. The gravy is wonderful. This is better than just plain beef stew. And you really can't tell the taste of the wine. It just adds to it. And you'll be proud to serve this to anybody, to your family, to your friends. And everything is just cooked perfectly. The meat just melts in your mouth, and all the veggies are soft and infused with all the gravies on it. So you can eat this with rice, noodles, or mashed potatoes, or even dipping in artisan bread. And the gravy, my goodness, don't throw that away. You can just slop it up with whatever you're eating. The gravy is really tasty. So, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching, and see you on the next video. Watch these videos next.